What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video, an update on Matic or Polygon, whatever you want to call it. I'll call it Matic in this video, or mostly at least when we're talking about the fundamentals. Sometimes I will call it Polygon because for me it's kind of the project is called Polygon, coin is called Matic. But alright, doesn't matter. This video we'll talk about that, we'll talk about the fundamentals, we'll talk about the technicals, we'll talk about everything you need to know. So that's what we'll do. So let's get right into it. I do want to say that if you want to receive daily trading signals, including on Matic, check out the links in either the pinned comment or the description. There you'll find instructions on how to join. All right, now onto Matic. What we'll do is we'll start with the technicals and I'll kind of blend in the fundamentals. The main fundamentals right now in my eyes for Matic are, first of all, what is Bitcoin doing? And with that, of course, also what is the dollar strength index doing, but that's all intertwined. So we only need to take a look at Bitcoin, I think. And excuse me, second of all, the Polygon ZK EVM, which is coming at the end of March, the 27th, I think. And I think that's interesting because what you usually see with cryptos that have huge developments like these is that there is quite a significant, not 100%, but there's quite a big chance that we actually get a rally ahead of the Polygon ZK EVM. And I don't think we had that yet. All of the bullish momentum we've seen in the last week from Matic has been bullish momentum that is pretty much throughout the entire market. So we haven't seen individual bullish momentum. So in this video, I wanted to talk about whether we can still expect that. So if we take a look at the technicals, what you can see is that last Sunday, we gave up this support level around 1.17. Drop down to this trend line and support level around 1.12, 1.1, and that is where we are right now. So the big question is, for me at least, is can we hold this level? Because in my eyes, we would really need to hold 1.1 if we still want to see a bullish Matic. In my eyes, the most bullish scenario is if we drop down right now towards 1.11, 1.1, consolidate a little bit between 1.18 and that 1.1 level, and that with the bullish momentum that could come in the markets, we can actually break above 1.19, and with the bullish momentum that Matic has on its own, we can rally up to our next major resistance level around 1.3. That's the most bullish scenario. Now, what we would need for a scenario like this, I think, is two things. First of all, bullish momentum actually coming from the Polygon ZK EVM. And second of all, a bullish outcome of the interest rate decision on, not Tuesday, on Wednesday. And that's, I mean, we can make it easier. If Bitcoin stays bullish, and with that I mean at least on top of 27,000, then something like this is possible. And then we just need to get that breakout. We just need to get that $1.19 level breakout. Then we also know that there's bullish momentum from Matic. But to me, it's still unclear whether we can really do something like that. And obviously, when you're watching a video like this, you want me to tell you what's going to happen. It just depends on too much. I would say the most likely scenario is that we will consolidate between 1.18 and 1.12. And that if the results, if we can break above 1.19 in the next 2-3 days, then we'll rally up to 1.3. If we're not able to do that in the next, let's say, 52 hours, 2.5 days, if we cannot break above 1.19, then obviously the circumstances aren't right. Then it's more likely that we'll drop down to this $1.05 level. But to me, knowing all of the circumstances, and knowing the momentum that we've seen in the last week and a half, something like that, this feels more likely to me. Also knowing the history of what usually happens ahead of big releases like the ZK EVM, because it is a huge release. This seems like the most likely scenario, but I will definitely keep you up to date. So make sure to subscribe if you're interested in that. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.